Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Hotspot texturing plugin for Maya. So you can get this from Gumroad or you can get this from GitHub. I've linked both in the description below. So on Gumroad you just go through, name a fair price, hit I want this. On GitHub you can also go to this link here and just download the zip directly. I've already downloaded this, so let's take a look. Once you actually download it, you'll have this zip file here. You're going to want to extract all. I'm just going to extract it to the same location for now. And then jumping into a few files here, this is where you get to the good stuff. So this hotspot texturing folder, this is what contains actual code to set up your window, do all the layouts, all of that kind of jazz. And this is what we're going to want to drop into our scripts folder in Maya. So I'm going to open up a new file explorer here. I'm going to jump into Maya, jump into 2025 or your version number, scripts. I'm going to delete this for now. But this is where you want to basically copy and paste your hotspot texturing folder into. Make sure this is the one with the code, the .py files. So next, you're going to want to open up Maya. If you had Maya open before this, you're going to want to close everything down and then restart. But jump over to the script editor here. Then go back to the hotspot texturing zip that you downloaded. There's going to be some installation instructions. Go ahead and open that up, and then you're going to see some code here. We're going to want to copy this code, paste it into the Python tab, highlight it all, and then drag it over to our shelf. I'm just going to, you want to save this as Python. Now, whenever you click this, it'll actually open up the hotspot texturing window. Of course, you can go through, you can edit this and change it to any icon you like. So maybe something related to UVs, or a cute little snowflake. So you can do that, and now you have your hotspot texturing tool. Pro tip, what I really like to do is open up my UV editor and actually just go through and dock it right here, because if you're working with this hotspot texturing file and everything, you're going to be working in the UV editor a lot. But yeah, that's how you go through and do it.